Paano nga bang nagawang maipanalo pa ni Kevin Kiambao ang laro kontra UE? Dahil 27 seconds na lang ang natitira, lamang pa ng 6 na puntos ang UE sa puntong ito. Pero syempre, bago tayo dumating sa puntong ito, simulan natin sa simula para naman hindi nakakabitin ang nangyayari sa larong ito. Laban ng DLSU kontra sa UE sa Phil Oil Ecoil 17th ECJ Pre-Season Cup. Natapos ang first half, tanga ng UE ang kalamangan sa score na 38-35. Sa puntong ito, dito na nangyari ang di ina-expect ng UE na mangyayari sa team nila na kanilang ang ikadidismaya. Panoodin kung paano nagawang nanalo pa ng Lasal sa larong ito at lumamang pa ng 3 sa pamamagitan ni Kevin Kiambao.
Precious Momaway puts it up. Oh! Offensive foul has been called on UE. Coach Jack Santiago calling out a pressure.
LaSalle, Kevin Kiambao, banks in a three-pointer. That's a big basket. UE wants a timeout, 21.8 seconds. Star in basketball. Ito si Kevin Kiambao. Here we go, 21 seconds remaining. Welo Lingo has it. Double team in the backcourt. Naipamigay yung bola. Kevin Kiambao made the basket and is fouled.
What did I just see? Kevin Kiambao being a one-man trap right there. Getting the ball and getting this end one opportunity.
He's going for the tie.
Sa ball game nito. Kiambao ties the game, 74 all, 16.6 seconds. LaSalle, they have a foul to give. They come up with a steal. UE try to counter.
Clearly.
Might have lost their head coach earlier due to 2 technicals. Kevin Kiambao, here he is. His heroics, not yet done. He fires. Oh! Unbelievable! KQ! And stealing this game from UE.